Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Blue Hawaii. So let's make the Blue Hawaii. The first thing I'm going to do is add my rum, and it calls for a white rum. There's going to be a lot of juice in here, so the quality of the white rum is not that important. I'm just using Trader Joe's Rum the God. I'm going to put in 3/4 ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters, into my shaker. Next, vodka. 3/4 ounces, 22 milliliters of vodka of your choice. Blue curaçao. And note can you see the color difference in the video? We'll find out, but it is so blue. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters of blue curaçao. We'll see if that drop stains the cutting board. Next, pineapple juice. I'm putting in 3 ounces, which is 90 milliliters of pineapple juice. The final ingredient officially is sweet and sour mix. I don't usually use sweet and sour mix. Instead, I split it out because a sweet and sour mix is simple syrup plus lime juice or lemon juice. So I use both of those instead. So I'm going to put in 1/2 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. Now I'm going to grab some ice. Ice grabbed, put some in the shaker, and yes, I'm using my fingers. You'll just have to forgive me. And give it a shake. Now I'm going to set this aside for just a moment because I'm going to smash some ice. Well, crush it, I guess it's technically called. Lewis bag. Mallet, crush it. Ice crushed, it's going to go into my hurricane glass. Proportions, yeah, let's see if we can get it all in there. I think that'll be okay. Now I'm going to pour my drink into there, strain it in. And it comes out green, of course, because yellow plus blue is green. Looks like I have a little bit more room. Let's see if I have any little bit. Well, let's put this back in. A little bit more crushed ice. Oh. That'll do. I've got a straw. Put that down in there. Garnish, we're going to use our toothpick umbrella. And some recipes call for a whole slice of pineapple. If we compare the glass to a 1/2 slice, I don't think that'll work. So instead I'm just going to put a wedge. Let's put it by the umbrella. And that's it. Blue Hawaii. Drink with good spirits.